everyone, welcome back to new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the SMS confirmation in Odoo 17. What if you receive an SMS confirmation upon the delivery of the item? You would have a peace of mind, right? So this can be easily managed in Odoo 17. So in order to manage the SMS confirmation, we can just dive into the inventory module and you can just get into the configuration settings. So as you just get into the configuration settings, you can find the SMS confirmation under the section called shipping. So as you have just enabled the SMS confirmation that send an automatic SMS text message when the delivery orders are done. So we are enabling this feature. So once you enable this feature, you have to save the changes in the settings. So I'm going to save the changes and I have received an order from the customer Deco Addict for cable management box. So I need to deliver that and I will be sending an automatic SMS to my customer Deco Addict. So let's see how can we manage that. For that, let me move on to the sales module, and in the sales module, you can fill out the details of the customer. So let me create a new quotation first, and here I'm going to choose Deco Addict as my customer because he has placed the order. Now I'm going to choose the product as cable management box with one quantity, and I'm going to deliver this product to the customer. So before delivering the product, first we have to confirm the order, right? So as we have confirmed the quotation will be moving from the state to the sale order. Now we can deliver the item. So in order to deliver the item, you can just choose the delivery smart tab. The tab over there, and you can set the quantities, and here you can find demanded quantities, reserved quantity, and you can also set the done quantity, that is the item that you need to deliver. That is the quantity that you need to deliver. So you can just click on set quantities and we have set the quantity that we want to deliver, and upon delivery, we can also send an SMS confirmation. So just click on validate, which means we are going to deliver the item. So as we click on the validate button, the customer Deco Addict will be receiving an SMS like you are about to confirm this order by SMS text. So we are going to confirm that. So that's cool, right? So it is very simple to handle the SMS confirmation in Odoo 17. So hope this concept is clear for you. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.